Hi guys, welcome back to Trigonometry 1 playlist. There is 6 lessons in this video and we are currently on lesson number 5, which is kind of mixed lesson. We are going to be finding sides and angles. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so again, first thing you do with all of them is you're going to label the sides. So this first one here, this is the hypotenuse, this is the angle we've been given. The opposite side, that's the opposite, and the last one is the adjacent, and we want to work out this y value. So we are going to work out the length of a side. So SOHCAHTOA, I'm going to tick the adjacent because I know what that is, and I'm going to tick the opposite because that's the one that I want to work out. Okay. TOA, the tan part, has got 2 ticks, so that is what I'm going to use. Tan of the angle, tan 73, equals the opposite over adjacent. I'm assuming at this point you know what you're doing. If you don't, go back and look at the previous lessons. Just going to go through this one quite quickly. Tan 73 equals y divided by the adjacent, which is 8.1. If you're dividing by 8.1, you want to get rid of that. You're going to multiply by 8.1, so it's 8.1 tan 73 equals y. So y equals, then you can reach for your calculator only at this point and type in 8.1 tan 73. And you get an answer of 26.4939. Then round it to 1 decimal place. 26.5. That's a side in centimeters. Okay, we'll go through these quite fast. The next one, the hypotenuse, opposite, adjacent, SOHCAHTOA. What do I know? I know the adjacent, so I'll tick that one off. And I want to work out the hypotenuse, so that's the one I'm going to tick off. This CA, or the cos one, is the one that I want. Cos of the angle, so cos 57 equals adjacent over hypotenuse. Cos 57 equals 24 over z. And you'd have to multiply the z up here, and then you'd have to divide by the cos in 57. Or you could do something called cross multiply, which really means these are really swapping places. So it's z equals 24 divided by cos 57. At this point, and only at this point, can you reach for your calculator, and then you can type that in. So 24 divided by cos 57, and your answer is 44.0658. Again, we'll do 1 decimal place, so 44.1. That's a side, and it's centimeters. Okay. Up to the pink one. So hypotenuse, opposite, adjacent, SOHCAHTOA. The hypotenuse. Then you take the opposite because that's the one that you want to work out. So here, I'm going to use that saw part to sin the angle, so sin 61 equals the opposite over the hypotenuse. So sin 61 equals x over 9.4. That 9.4 goes up and multiplies. So we've got 9.4 sin 61. So it's 8.2214 ... 1 decimal place 8.2. Again, it's a side we're working out, so centimeters. Okay. Right down to the bottom. So hypotenuse, opposite, adjacent. Slightly different this time because I am working out an angle here. I've got the length of two sides, and I want to work out that angle. So I'm going to tick the hypotenuse, and I'm going to tick the opposite because I know both of them. The saw part and the sin ratio is what I'm really going to use. So it's sin A, don't know what A is, equals opposite over hypotenuse. Sin A equals 4.6, all divided by 5.5. You can type that into your calculator. It gives you an answer of 0.836. Little dots above the 3 and the 6, which means both of those numbers are recurrent, so it would be 0.836363636, and that will go on forever. To find that angle A, we use the inverse function. Keep that number, remember, in your calculator. Shift, sin, previous answer, and you should get an answer of 56.7580. Let's do it to one decimal place, so 56.8, and that's an angle. Okay, let's put me degrees. Next one, hypotenuse, opposite, adjacent. SOHCAHTOA. So I'm going to tick off the A's because I know the length of that. I'm going to tick off the O's because I know the length of that. This is the ratio I want. TOA part, the tan part. So tan of the angle, tan, the angle's called B this time, equals opposite over adjacent. So tan B equals 7 divided by 15. We do 7 divided by 15 on my calculator. I get 0.46. So B is equal to the inverse. So shift tan previous answer, and it gives me an answer of 25.01689. One decimal place, 25.0 degrees. Okay, and the last one here. I know I'll go through these very fast. I'm assuming at this point, this is just rule practice. So that's the hypotenuse, that's the angle in question, so that's the opposite. And the last one's the adjacent. SOHCAHTOA. What do I know? I know the hypotenuse, and I know the opposite. Okay, so I'm going to use SAW, which is the sin the angle, sin C equals op over hyp. Sin C equals 10.8 all divided by 14.3. 10.8 divided by 14.3 is 0.755244. I just want to show you this part here. There's a dot, a little dot above the 7, a little dot above the 4, which means all of that in between, everything there repeats. So 0.755244, 755244, 755244, and that just continues. So your C is the inverse of this number here. So shift, then the answer, and it equals 49.04676, one decimal place, 49.0. Again, it's an angle, so it's degrees. Okay, so pause the video if you need to copy any more of that down. I'm about to clear it. And now these are your exit questions. So please find unknown values. It is over to you. Good luck, guys. Thanks for watching. See you soon.